Most metal detectors are too heavy and complicated, expensive for beginners, and makes treasure hunting really frustrating instead of fun. And I found this one to be simple to control. I like the adjustable height. I was able to find all of these things out here with no issues, and it identified the metal targets as well. Love how you can store it in one easy bag, so lightweight, waterproof. Love how easy it is to adjust, so I feel like it's pretty durable, but not overwhelming at all. And as far as full setup goes, it's really just 4 pieces that you put together. Love that the actual metal detector part can be attached or detached if you want to use it separately with your hand. So easy to connect there. And then the electronic components also snap in place. I had no issue connecting or disconnecting these to take it apart. I felt like once it was in, it was durable. It wasn't going to fall apart on me, but if I didn't want to have to keep it at the full length, I love that I could also put it in the storage bag. And as far as ease of use, I'm a pretty much beginner, and it was really simple design and interface for me, easy controls. I picked up on it right away. It was not overly heavy, so I think any 7-8-year-old up could use it. And it did detect all kinds of objects for me: nails, keys, a lock, ring, so no issue there. The coil stayed put, and it did detect it without being overwhelming. I did use the headphones, and the batteries worked well. The LED screen was simple to use, and the accessories all worked great for me. So I guess in all, the detector was smart, it was water resistant, it was easy to search, I found it easy to adjust the size. It made treasure hunting kind of fun, super accessible, and I feel like the whole family will be able to use this and really get a great use out of it. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.